Namaste and welcome to the Seeker's Mat. Today we will explore Siddhasana, also known as accomplished pose, a very powerful seated yoga posture that has been revered by yogis for centuries as a gateway to stillness, concentration, and spiritual awakening. Sit on the yoga mat with your legs extended forward. Bend your left leg and place the heel close to the perineum of the groin area. Now bend your right foot and place the right heel just above your left ankle, letting your foot rest between your thigh and your calf muscles. Make sure that both of your feet are touching the ground and both of your legs are tucked in comfortably. Lengthen your spine and keep your head aligned with your neck. Now simply close your eyes. Now the next thing you have to do is place your hands on your knees in Dhyan Mudra. Your palms is gazing upward and your thumb is slightly touching your index finger. Stay in this meditative pose for a little while. Mental benefits of Siddhasana: promotes stillness of mind. It helps reducing stress and restlessness, deepens concentration and prepares for meditation. If we talk about the physical benefits of Siddhasana, it improves body posture and strengthens your spine, enhances flexibility in hips and knees, helps redirect pranic energy upward, supporting inner balance. Now if we talk about the spiritual benefits of Siddhasana, opens Sushumna Nadi, aligning subtle energies, supporting long hour of meditation and pranayama, considered ideal for the awakening of Kundalini energy. Avoid Siddhasana if you have very tight hips or any kind of knee injury. Avoid if you have severe lower back pain or sciatica. Always listen to your body and practice gently. Siddhasana is not just a posture, it's a sacred seat for self-realization. With time, you will realize that it not only improves your flexibility, but it creates a deeper sense of connection with your inner self. If this video helped you, please do like, share and subscribe the Seeker's Mat. See you in the next session. Till then, please stay safe and keep practicing.